Welcome back, everyone. You knew it was coming. If you watched my videos, you knew it was coming. 2255 Jonsered Red, 455 Husky. Yeah. Super Blue Homelite, easy. Now there's a considerable CC difference here. I think these are around 30, 35, 56, 20-inch bar, 16-inch bar. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but you may feel the same way. These blues Homelite sole run much better than the reds. Do you agree? No? Well, I think so. So, back here's our log pile. I got a 4.5, 5-inch piece that I'm going to cut on, we're going to look at. And then we're going to put it in a big piece. If I can't get the 16-inch bar through, I'm going to cut a little bit off and then we'll make it even. So it's down, up, yeah. Let's get to it. First up, Jonsered Red 455. Got this nice little round here. I'll just go off that. Hopefully it'll stay there. And it won't be enticed to move. Level ground, come on. Alright. 455 first. Brought my earmuff this time. Those easy. We'll figure this out. I need to take a little bit more off. We'll do that last. Seriously? Well, I guess the right over shook it up, so I'm gonna wait. That's just tackling right off the bar. so. All right, 455, big piece. Wow. I mean, I'm probably still cutting. I'm not easy with the easy. Wow. Oh, well, everyone, this was fun to get an old classic out that I cut with every time. This was my go-to saw. Okay, for a while when my red one broke down because my grandpa inherited that from my grandpa, and it's got like a oil tank leak or oil line leak, but this was my go-to saw after that. This is what I picked up. Either that or my C52. C52 had mag rot in the front of the gas tank. It sat on the shelf. It sits on the shelf. It was nice to get this old girl back out and reminisce on how long I used to take to cut wood. Jesus Christ. Compared to, I don't know what year they switched to the reds, which I think is like late 70, 78, 82, somewhere in there, 1978, 72, 82. So, I mean, this saw is it's at least 40 years old, if not 50. So, I mean, this is a 2014. To say this is a 74 or an 84 would be 30 years. 74 would be 40. My mathing. Yeah. I mean, there's just that, and on the upcut, the torque on this compared to this. Down, before I saw it, I would have said they're about even. CC difference and then the bar difference. I would have figured they's even, but wow. I don't even have to look at footage to know the difference. Well, I hope you enjoyed this vintage chainsaw running. I'm going to drain the fuel, and I'm going to clean it up, drain the fuel, and put it on the shelf for maybe another day or something. But yeah, I enjoyed getting this thing running, back to running. I just kind of purged the fuel line back and forth where I got it up to here, and then I took the top of the carb off. Make sure the flaps were flapping and the diaphragms were diaphragming. So yeah, and then it was just little brake clean. And then the time it got sucked the fuel and shit got cleaned out, it was, the old shoulder hurts. I don't know how many times I pulled it over here. But I don't know. The ride over just shakes them up. Full throttle and no choke. But I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, and I'm gonna go on about my day.